There's lots of little things we know and love about using gas in our homes and businesses. The gas we're enjoying today isn't quite the same as the gas we could be enjoying in the future. And those that look at the big picture know that gas isn't just helping the energy transition, it's in transition itself. Renewable gases like biomethane and renewable hydrogen are being demonstrated and developed around the country and already being used successfully overseas. Innovations that can help homes, businesses and manufacturing sectors to lower emissions efficiently. Even changing the way Australians think about energy storage, power generation and transport. Just like in Europe, where there's already more than 20,000 biogas plants helping to power their economies. If we look at the big picture, we can find big opportunities. More options, more solutions, more ways to support the energy transition. Renewable gas, part of the big picture.